Let's start with an extreme example: figs, and their conspicuously close bond with certain bugs. Around 80 million years ago, wasps started pollinating figs. And today, each of the approximately 750 fig tree species depends on at least one unique species of tiny wasps. Pollinator-plant relationships can get hyper-specific, and figs guard their flowers especially tight for fig wasps. Technically, a fig isn't a fruit, but a fleshy bundle derived from stem tissues that holds hundreds of internal flowers, like a hidden garden. Humans typically harvest one species, the common fig. Its breeding system, called gynodioece, is seen in less than 1% of flowering plants. It works with some common fig trees having seed-producing female parts, while others, called caprifigs, have both female seed-producing and male pollen-producing parts. Wasps get involved when a female fig wasp full of eggs follows odor cues to a common fig tree and thrusts herself into the minuscule hole at a developing fig's base. From there, depending on whether it's a caprifig or a female fig, things go one of two ways, the outcome being either more wasps or more figs. If it's a caprifig, the wasp deposits her eggs into the flower's ovaries, then dies. Instead of developing seeds, those flower ovaries turn into galls that nurture the wasp's developing offspring. Wingless and blind, the males hatch first, open the remaining galls, and fertilize the developing females. Yes, oftentimes they're sisters, unless another wasp laid eggs here. Next, the males dig exit pathways they never use themselves because they die before leaving the fig. Finally, the already fertilized females hatch, exit through the male-made holes, getting coated with pollen on the way, and fly off to other figs. If a wasp winds up in a female fig, however, she can't lay her eggs because the flowers are structured differently. So she dies without offspring. But she did pollinate the fig's flowers, so the tree can reproduce. Female wasps don't know which kind of fig they're entering, and whether it'll give her offspring or use her to make its own, because fig trees smell the same, regardless of sex. This ensures that a good portion of common figs can also reproduce, and not just further wasp kind.